Mm, 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 mm. Xbox got that Fable though. Hell yeah, I loved Fable. That was such a good game. Okay, so now we open this flap. That's crazy. How do I unbox this? People were complaining that the box was cheap in the PlayStation one. How could they? I always keep my box. And I play with it. Oh! Holy shit! A manual! No. Oh shit. A quick start guide! Holy fucking shit, dude. It's got pictures. No way. Are you serious? Dude, next gen. Next gen is full of surprises. I don't believe this. Seriously. A safety guide? Holy girl. It's got pictures too. It's got letters. It's got blank pages. What? What a troll. It's got blank pages. What the fuck, dude? Am I missing out on... This might be a little Easter egg. Let's go. What does it mean? Has anyone unlocked this? The blank page Easter egg? Does anyone know? Safety guide, that is? No fucking way. Let's get rid of this. No fucking way. It's got this, like, cardboard. It flexes. No flip. Are you serious? It's got a peephole. Damn. I knew PlayStation was better. Dude, it's got two peepholes. No way. You did it. No! Power adapter! No. No way. A power cord, I mean. Holy shit. It extends. Can you see this? So, like, packed, right? Long. How long does it go? Dude. That's long. That's a long cord. Fuck. Dude, I got chills. No! It's got this, like... I don't know if you can see this. It's got this little wrapping thing. I don't know. Some sort of metal. Some sort of technology. This might be the... Stunning Games mechanic. It's twisty. Dude, I could play with this for years. For years. I wonder if I can make this into my own PlayStation. And I can play with this instead. Dude, double the fun. That's my own little PlayStation I did there. That's detail. And I like the color of it too. No. No. HDMI cable? I got a fucking HDMI cable. Do you know how rare these are? And two more flippy things. Can't believe it, dude. It says high speed HD. Oh, it's got high speed. That means you can game faster. Oh, it's an E321011 AWM. 80 degrees. 80 degrees Celsius. 30 volt. Sick. Fuck. Oh, dude, it's strong. Damn. Okay. I mean, this is already worth... No! No! More cardboard. Oh my god, I get a little box. It's like a little box. I could put stuff in this. What could I put in this? I could store my G Fuel in here. That's probably why. That's sick. Cool. And it's also white, so I can customize that if I want to. My G Fuel box. Finally, I've got to use this perfectly. Alright, I think that's it. Yeah. Oh, of course. Forgot the stand. A little glove. A little, what is it called? Virus-free, you know, handshake machine. It's got to be some advanced technology here, so germs don't get crossed. A little glove. Oh, I didn't even see this. We got another cable. No. It's USB-C. I'm actually legit excited that it's USB-C. I'm so fucking tired of this flimsy-ass micro USB. Dude, can you see this? This is stronger than 1,000 auxes. It's gotta be some advanced gaming technology in this. USB, huh? Never seen one of those. Keep hearing about it. Strong. It's strong, I can tell you. Got a little disc plate. Some Naruto chakra. Ninja star, maybe? That's fun. I like that. Yo, it's got a screw inside. What's that about? I actually don't know. No. 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 I'm losing my mind here. This is crazy. Oh no, it clicks. Can you hear that? Can you hear that click? That's a really nice click. This is insane. Oh, sorry, I got too excited. Whoa. More gloves? No. 2 gloves. Are you kidding me? 2 gloves. I don't get 1 glove. I get 2. What the fuck, dude? Oh, and this one's got a little see-through hole in it, so I can see. Maybe it's a headband? Yeah, it's an adjustable headband. It's a ninja headband. So I can see. Doesn't really fit my head, to be honest. But that's kind of cool. I can see myself wearing this. What do you think? It's a face mask? Oh, of course, it's a face mask. Oh. Okay. All right. What's... No! No! There's like 2 soup bowls. 2 soup bowls in here. Or is it soup? You think? It's got a weird thing on the bottom. Maybe they're shoes. They fit perfectly! They fit so well! Oh my god. Can you see them? They fit so good. I'm so comfortable with these. Gaming slippers, dude. Hell yeah. I don't know why people complain about the packaging, because I think it's sick. Oh, no! No, there's a box in the box! There's... It's this... No. No. No way. No way. Sony. You've outdone yourself. You truly outdone yourself. No. Flipping. Way, dude. It's a gaming torso. Are you serious? I love this. Worth every penny. Incredible. What technology? So not only, you telling me I don't only get a face mask and a glove, slipper, I'm good. Now I feel like a gamer. Full armor. Now I'm ready for Demon Souls. And it's got nipple coverage. Alright, I'll wear this. I'll wear this when I'm gaming. But we're not gaming right now. No! Okay. Alright. Okay. Okay. Alright. Enough. Enough. No! Alright. Here we go. Holy shit. I finally got it. I finally got it. The wrapping paper. Sorry. The gaming cape. At last. That's sick, dude. Can you see this? It's a fucking gaming cape. I can't believe they went so far. Fully stacked armor. Alright. So, to summarize. G Fuel case holder. Pretty nice. Gaming shoes. I like them. They're comfortable. I feel taller. See how tall I am now? Bonus guides. Cables. Playthings. So yeah, what do you guys think? Xbox or PlayStation? Oh my god. There's a PlayStation in this? What? I didn't even see it. What a bonus! That's crazy. What am I gonna do with that? I don't get it. What is this? What am I supposed to do with this? I can't wear this. It really do be looking like Kaiba though. Like, it's not as big as I thought, but it's still pretty fucking big. So apparently if you zoom in on the texture, there's supposed to be really teeny tiny textures of the PlayStation. Oh, it's here. I can see it. Yeah, the PlayStation pattern. It's got a nail on it. That's kind of gross. You see that? That's a fucking nail. Where did that come from? Why is there a nail? I cut my nails days ago. That's a small nail. That wouldn't fit me. Why is there a nail on it? What? They nailed it. Why is there a nail on it? That's a nail. That's a human nail on the PlayStation. It comes with an extra nail! Holy shit! Bonus nail! Fuck yeah. That's sick. Alright. I think that's official. PlayStation wins this generation. DNA bonus. That's right. Fuck yeah. Alright, let me get this nail out. Hold up. Let me get my little toolbox. Just be careful. We don't want to scratch the surface. Got it. Ah! Okay, I got it. Ah! Fuck, it's hard. Bonus nail. We can harvest it. We have their technology now. We can replicate it. We can make more PlayStation. I think I will keep this nail in my handy dandy G Fuel cup box. That's sealed and decontaminated. Nice. Nice. That's nice. Any more extra nails that I missed? No. That sucks. I'm a little disappointed there wasn't 2 nails. Hey, what can you do? You don't get it all, huh? I still think that's sick. I'm still wearing the slippers, by the way. Alright, let's plug this. Let's plug this in. Wait, what? It goes in? Wait, what? Wait, what? We'll send that DNA in for a DNA test. Oh, I actually forgot the controller. Legit, Oh, there it is. Oh, I actually really want to see how it feels. Yeah, that feels good. It's a little strange, actually. I feel like the triggers are a bit off place. I would rather have them more out. It comes with a controller. I actually love, unironically, I think they nailed the design of the controller. I love that they didn't do the colors and they just went minimalistic white on it. I think the controller is probably the coolest part. I can't wait to have my own custom one. Yeah, I like the glass type of look on it too. Memes aside, I actually really like that. The controller is good. Alright. Let's plug it in.